Hi guys, in this channel I'm going to show you how to set up network lab environment for learning various network technologies, mainly focusing on Cisco SD-WAN technologies, and also how to prepare for your network interviews. Cisco SD-WAN technologies are added into the new CCIE Enterprise Lab exam. If you are preparing for CCIE Enterprise Labs, these videos will be helpful to set up a new Cisco SD-WAN lab from the very basic to the advanced topics, and you can do the practice. I've also made videos about more frequently asked network interview questions and also explained its answers using a Cisco Packet Tracer tool. If you are preparing for interviews, make sure you watch all the network interview videos in this channel. It will surely help to pass the interviews. This is my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Sivakumar-Netlabs. And if you go down, you can see the current playlist that I have. I have a separate playlist for Cisco SD-WAN lab guide. So in this, I have totally 35 videos so far. I'll keep adding videos to this. So it starts with the introduction about onboarding the controllers and onboarding the branch devices, and about configuring OSPF, BGP, VRRP, hub and spoke topologies, and about doing the software upgrade, downgrades, and about configuring the direct internet access, and about some advanced topic like dynamic on-demand tunnels. Also, Cisco SD-WAN firewall features like zone-based firewall, IPS, and URL filtering. So in this lab, I have used VMware EXSI server to build all these vBond, vManage, vSmart, and all the vEdges and cEdges. So if you are doing uh, the lab setup about Cisco SD-WAN for the first time, these videos will be definitely helpful because I had explained about setting up the controllers, how to install the root certificate, and how to install the license and onboard the branches. Now the next videos, if I go to my channel again, if you go to the bottom, I have a separate playlist for network interview questions. These are some of the uh, very basic network interview questions which are asked almost all the network interviews, whether you are a senior engineer or junior engineers. Network basics are always tested in the network interviews. I have questions about IP fragmentation, traceroute, DHCP, about the packet walk. So if you are preparing for network interviews, make sure you watch all these videos. Also, if possible, practice in the Cisco Packet Tracer and understand each topic. I will keep adding about all the network technologies like OSPF, BGP, VRRP in the upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that when I upload another videos, you will get a notification. Now, if I go back to my channel again, I have another playlist called NetBytes. So in this playlist, I have given some basic network tips and useful commands, like how to run the EM script on the iOS XR, how to enable the SSH access to your Cisco routers, and how to set a cron tab to execute every 5 minutes, kind of a scripting, and how to troubleshoot some basic point-to-point ping failure, etc., and how to configure some features like DHCP, DHCP relay in Cisco Packet Tracer, etc. So this is something we use in our day-to-day work in every network engineer job. Thanks for watching this introduction video. Um, Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and also share with your friends. Have a nice day.